it's Lauren with Lauren Talks Homes, and today we're going to discuss a summer home maintenance list. All right, so get your things ready so we can prep for these hot months. All right, so the warm months are here. Yay! Now time for the honey-do list or the get it done list. All right. So, a few things you want to always make sure, with each season that passes, you're taking care of your home to keep it in the best condition. And different people have different needs for their homes, so your lists may be longer than mine or shorter than mine. But here are a few things to kind of watch out for. So that yard project you've been putting off, now's a good time to go ahead and work on the yard. Get out there and trim those shrubs and add flowers and all those wonderful things to make your yard the talk of the neighborhood. Another thing you can do is touch up paint on the siding of your house. So if you have siding, it's a good time to go ahead and touch those things up so that, because after a while those things, we don't notice it until it's sometimes really bad, but the paint may kind of start to peel or crack. So just to kind of make sure that's kept up with in order to keep it looking new and fresh, keep your home looking good on the outside. Now this is a big deal. Always have your AC and your furnace checked during this time. If you still have Freon or use Freon, then now's a good time to make sure that you have your AC person come out and check out your unit. One thing you don't want to do is not have it serviced, and then if you have a warranty or something like that, then they won't honor the warranty if you have AC trouble because you have not taken care of regular maintenance. So make sure that's done. If you have a fireplace with a chimney, you want to make sure that's cleaned and inspected. You can order someone to have it cleaned. It's also a good time to check the roof. Here in Houston, from time to time, we have a lot of wind, high winds that come around during tornado season. During hurricane season. So it's a good time. You always want to have your roof checked once a year to make sure that it's in good standing, so that you don't have to deal with any major issues. Those are just a few items to take care of during the hot months. All right. And if you have any other suggestions, go ahead and add them below about other maintenance items that are good ideas to handle up on during these summer months. All right, so next time, Lauren Talks Homes.